You can put your husband and ship him away. You can do anything that you like. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today another origami type of project. I want to share with you guys how to make these little pouches, and then they are embellished with some butterflies, because it wouldn't be me without some butterflies. So I'm using my new kit is called the Adventurous Traveler. It's my biggest kit up to date, 18 pages. I showed you this, guys, last week on a Friday freebie. And you guys have told me how much you love this kit. So I thought we'd do a project with it. So a very simple pouches. They are, funny enough, they are on a square shape, which measure... Final pouches measure 4 by 4, which in centimeters is 10 by 10 centimeters, and then basically it opens like that, and then inside you can put anything that you like. You can put ephemera like I've just done, you can put money, you can put a greetings card, so this can be a really fancy envelope. You can put a coaster. If you gift a coaster, it fits perfectly in there, perfect size. You can put your husband and ship him away. You can do anything that you like. So this is one, and that's the back, and that is two with a butterfly in there, and then again it opens like this, and then you can, you know, this, I had this on my desk for the previous video I showed you on Monday, so that's where I put it. But it's such a versatile pocket. You can put anything that you really like. And then I've just decorated with a butterfly. The butterfly is actually part of the kit, because this kit is all about building. When I designed it, I wanted to build like a traveler kit for people that are going traveling, or to make a greetings card with travel, anything to do with like travel. And as I said on that video, it's not just a physical travel, could be a travel within yourself, within your spirit, etc. So if you're like into bullet journaling, or you track your mood, or you track, you know, how you feel in general. And every day is a journey. All our life is a journey, and we just need to make the most out of it. And it's not about the destination, it's all about the journey. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you need to go, it's how you get there that it matters, in my opinion. Right, so wow, was very intense. Right, so let me show you how to make them. The starting point is a rectangular, can be any size that you want, but for these purposes I'm using one of the page or the kit. So as you can see in my kit, they're all A4 international paper, and when you print it, just print out with this little border. So what you do, you trim it off, and then you just get the page. So let me move this out of the way so you can clearly see what I do. And as you know, I got an issue, I can't not explain things properly, so you need to bear with me and trying to guess. I'm trying to be as clear as possible. Okay, so get your paper. So the work on the reverse, I mean, if you print this double-sided, it doesn't matter, but if you want the outside to be the one with the printer, let's start with the printer image facing your desk. Okay, so the white is on the top. So what we need to do, we need to fold a triangle. So start with the top right corner and fold it inwards. In fact, what you can do, you can mute me, click on mute, and just watch what I do. I think it's easier. But we open it up and we do exactly the same on the other side. So get that. I love these flowers. And I realized, I think like 90% of my kits has got flowers in it. So, oh well, it wouldn't be me otherwise. Okay, so that's when it gets a bit trickier. Okay, so you open and you've got one diagonal line like that and one diagonal line in that way. So what you need to do, you need to pinch on these two corners. So you need to fold it back in. Okay, I'll show you again. You need to fold, so these two diagonal lines, we need to fold the paper back on it. Okay, now you need a third hand. Get your third hand, because we've got two on there, you need a third one. So what you need to do, guys, you need to press this on the desk. We need to create a triangle on the top, but also we need to make sure that those two rectangular are stay close together. So not like this, but they need to be as close as possible to one another. But also we need to create a triangle that which the two sides are in line with the two big triangle. So if I move it towards the camera, we need to get that matches that, but also we need to get these two rectangular to be close to one another. Okay, that's why you need a third hand. Okay, this is the only fiddling bit, and then the rest it's very, very simple. Okay, I think I've got it. I think I have got it. Yes, it takes a few seconds. Okay, so you end up with something that looks like this. Okay, so I repeat it. So that's with the diagonal line. So you pinch that, okay, and then we need to get a triangle on top that matches the two triangles, and also these two rectangulars, they are close to one another. Okay, then we need to fold this corner back up on both sides, which this basically will be the closure of the pouch, and we do the same on the other side. Okay, that's quite pretty as it is actually. Now you see we've got these two triangles, they're flying up. We need to fold it and reverse, and the reason why I've done that first, so once you got your score line, the paper won't make you going mad, because it just folds itself back up to that line. Okay, so you know that you can't get it wrong. Okay, the last two steps, this corner here is going to that corner there, so you fold it like this. I know it looks complicated, but honestly guys, if I can, you can. And then we do the same on the other side, and that is your pouch. Okay, so what you do, you put these two things inside a triangle, and that's your closure. What I did, and that you don't have to do it, but it's just a little tip, as you can see, those two flaps will remain open. So what I did on the other two, I put some glue just on here, so that will stay flat and it won't get on your way. And I'll do the same on this side. Totally optional guys, but I really recommend you to do it. So oops, so glue that down, so you still got that space to put your two corners in there. Okay, simple as. How cute it is. Okay, then where is my butterfly? It's my butterfly page. And then where's my scissors? You don't have to do it. You can put a flower, you can leave it as it is, but you know me, I'm all about butterflies, so I like to add a little touch. You can put, I'm just thinking as I talking to you guys, you can put a bar of chocolate for as a little gift pouch. So it's not just an ephemera. I will call it as ephemera pouch, but you can do like ephemera storage, but you can do anything you want. So, and then what I normally do, guys, I always fold it because I like my black butterflies to be 3D. Just put a glue in there. Because I don't really want to cover these beautiful flowers, so I'm going to put the butterfly like that and then press it in the middle there, and I'll lift the wings up. Probably wait a few more seconds. Okay, and that is it. 3 pouches, similar because it's the same concept but with all different effects. It depends on the paper. Okay guys, I hope you like this project. If you do, please share it because I'm really interested to see at what sort of size you go. And then as you can see, you can make this teeny tiny, or you can make this as bigger as you want. Okay, right guys, if you like this video, please give me a big origami how would that be, an origami thumbs up? Would that be something like an origami thumbs up? It really will help the channel and the video doing well. One more video coming on Friday with a very special Friday freebie this week. I won't say anything else anymore, so I will see you on Friday, and until then, stay safe and well.